And by the way, when you're using citric acid, be sure to use food-grade citric acid, such as ball citric acid that you can find on places like Amazon or Walmart, things like that. So it needs to be food grade. Okay, canning mistake number 9 is allowing food to cool before canning. Now, life happens. I know I tend to get interrupted a lot just with my personal living situation of caring for my 93-year-old mom. Or sometimes what will happen is I don't have time to do everything in one day. So I will, let's say, prepare a salsa before, the day before, or chili or something like that, and then can it the next day. Obviously, you refrigerate it, during the in-between time. Or let's just say you get interrupted and it cools down. So it's unsafe to can something that has cooled down if it is a hot pack recipe. In the recipe, it will tell you whether you should hot pack it or raw pack it. Now, sometimes either one is fine, and that doesn't matter. But if it says hot pack, and that is the only option, you need to reheat anything that has cooled down before you can it. Okay, and the reason is that it is taking into consideration, the amount of processing time is taking into consideration that the item is hot when it goes into the jars. So again, if it cools down, it's no big deal because you can reheat it. So as an example, if I put something into the refrigerator because I don't have time to can it right then, maybe I started in the morning and I have some stuff I have to do or whatever. Or sometimes, and to be honest with you, sometimes if I'm making something, I have a lot of pain issues and it's too much on me sometimes to do a whole process in a day. So I might prepare something that has a long processing time, such as chili. I might prepare it the night before, stick it in the fridge, take it out of the fridge in the morning, reheat it, and then put it into the canning jars. So again, if it's a hot pack recipe, don't allow it to cool down before you put it into the jars and can it. If it does cool down, just reheat it, and then you can safely can it.